kitchen I go. I'm raring to cook up a wonderful meal. Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Anita and I'm a Dutch Kiwi. Now it'll come as no surprise what the theme is of this video. May the 4th be with you. No, may the force be with you. But it is on the 4th of May. So it's a really, really catchy date to highlight some of the special things that happened on this day. But yes, the starter of all this really was the Skywalker Saga movies, the Star Wars movies. All 9 films were nominated for Academy Awards, and it's become a worldwide phenomenon. There's Lego and there's all sorts of paraphernalia that one can purchase regarding Star Wars and its characters. It's kind of taken off a life all of its own, here on Earth as well as out in space. So I'll just be carrying on trying to colour between the lines and get my special meal sorted and try and share some more information of things that happened on the 4th of May. And here in the Netherlands, one of the most important remembrances is the ending of the war in 1945. In fact, the 4th of May is our Remembrance Day of all those fallen. And that makes it very special as well. So, yeah, a lot happened on 4th of May. It's a great honour and privilege for me to cook for the Star Wars team. May the culinary force be with me. I have no idea what all our Star Wars famous characters enjoy eating, so I'll just cook some of my favourites. Here's my version of a vegetarian spaghetti bolognese. And why is it vegetarian? Because the mince I am using is soya-based. Add to that some onion, some garlic, some tomatoes, tomato paste, paprika, and you have a delicious dish. When I was organising some of my ingredients, I realised I'd run out of my frozen cubes of tomato puree. So I've got to be making some more. So here I am. Here's my can. And here are my ice cubes. A very thankful task. One more lid to go. And I'll put them in the freezer. So handy. In goes the tomato paste. And the tomato. Now the other thing I like to do is make sure I get all the juice. Now the tomato puree still had quite a bit on the sides. Now I've added some water and look at that. I'll be rinsing that and tipping it into a tomato can. And I'll swirl and tip it into the second tomato can. It will go into the sauce and I won't waste anything. Now I've got paper for the paper bin, plastic and tins for the other recycle collection. So I'm just going to show you what I do with those tins. I take the paper label off and I take the bottom out. And why do I take the bottom out? So I can flatten it and slide both the bottom and the top into the can and put it in the rubbish, and it saves so much space. Now taking the tin, the bottom out of the tin, I've been doing that ever since I can remember because my parents did that too. But taking the paper off the tin, it never occurred to me. It's paper. It's not painted on. It looks like it's painted on. So that goes in the paper rubbish. I'm done with my sauce. There, look at that. Just beautiful. Now there are 2 other dishes to go. I am actually cooking 3 main dishes so that my guests can choose whatever it is they fancy. Do or do not. There is no try. Good advice. Oh yes, well, it is super weather. So that's what we're going to start the dinner with. Time to caramelise the paprika and the curry powder. Now, by doing this, you're actually releasing the flavour in the paprika and in the curry powder. And now it's time to caramelise the onion. A good stir, coating it and just leaving it to release all the beautiful flavour in this carrot. Now I've added some of the pumpkin already, the first half, and oh, it's starting to smell the scrumptious here in the kitchen. Time to add the stock. And now just to let the magic happen. And here we go. Now just look how smooth this is. And for the meat lovers, there is going to be a lovely casserole. And the first thing I do is I lightly cover it with flour. Now I'm going to put the rest of the ingredients all set to go first before I start braising the meat. Right, so there's the meat and the onion, stock, I'll take that out, stock, mustard, cloves, bay leaves, tomato puree, beer, a dark beer, and it's like a gingerbread sort of a loaf. It's spicy, and well, it has spices in it like cloves and ginger and cinnamon and stuff. So that's got to go in, and that'll help thicken it. Going well from one pan into the other. This one's bigger, and I'll be able to put all the ingredients in there. In goes the beer. Just heated the stock in the pan where I seared the meat in, so as I get all the yummy bits off the bottom of the pan, and that's going in there now. Amazing. Now, remember this trick I showed you in one of the other videos? Here. Oh golly gosh, I've spent so much time chatting to you. I really have to get my room ready, and the seating and the table. I've got to go. But enjoy your 4th of May, everyone. And certainly may the force of this day be with you.